broke his leg, out indefinitely. Still no Johan Santana deal at the baseball winter meetings where the Yankees Red Sox are jockeying for the former Cy Young winner. The White Sox fired outfielder Carlos Quentin from Arizona. College hoops, Northwestern by 20 over Arkansas State. And Indiana star freshman Eric Gordon left with a bruised back. And the Hoosiers' 12-point win over Tennessee State. Dave Bennett, WGN Sports.
Thank you, Dave. Here's next with the biz. The Business Report Spike is sponsored by RSM McGladrey. Wall Street stocks are likely to fall for a second day under the weight of financial industry shares. There's been a number of brokerage downgrades in the stock index. There are no significant economic reports due today, but the monthly employment report is scheduled for Friday. In Schaumburg, in the headquarters of Motorola, another high-level departure. The CEO last week announced he was leaving. Now the chief technology officer is gone to pursue other opportunities. She'd been at Motorola 23 years. Pirates in Nigeria have backed a boat belonging to oil giant ExxonMobil. The latest reports indicate it was not a tanker, but the Nigerian rebels did kill a crew member when they boarded that